paper chasing, now let it chase me. Granted to an ounce, started banging 80s. Niggas know my name, they probably would snake me. Enemies, they come daily. A lot come daily if you ask me. I'm in that fast lane and you niggas couldn't pass me. Flicking out my ash.
What it do, YouTube? It's your boy M Black. You rocking with DIY Dreaming. Welcome back or welcome to the channel. Make sure you click that like, make sure you share, make sure you subscribe. Today, what we got going on is a one-on-one. That means I ain't doing both. Just gonna do one. Gonna knock out the front strut on this 08 Enclave. It's been knocking, it's been giving me issues. Put a lot of time and money into this truck. We're getting close to the finalization of repairs. I already started cranking some bolts. As you know, I do shit like that. We're gonna show you what we did do already. We got little Mike on the camera today. He came out of retirement for you dude. But now a lot of times people I've seen do these videos or explain to me how this needs to be done. You gotta take off your windshield wiper arms. You gotta take off your plastic shroud. Man, look. I got all three bolts loose and damn near off by doing this. with a wrench. Not a wrench, a ratchet, you feel me? So boom, 3 bolts, lift those up right there. If you got an Acadia, if you got a Traverse, if you got an Envoy, what is this, an Enclave? Sorry about that. If you got any of those models, 08 to 2012, this should help you out. Fuck paying the man that labor rate. Go get your part from the parts store, get a lifetime warranty, do this shit yourself, learn something, get some tools. It ain't gonna take nothing but some basic tools to be real with you. So like I said, 3 bolts up there, 15 millimeter. Then you bring it down bottom. After you take the wheel off, you got a 22 here. I'm sorry, I brain farted. You got a 24. You got a 22. 21. And you just want to start cranking those. Now, I did use a breaker bar, true indeed. Also, this is I think this was what is this at 15 or something like that? No, this is that was an 18. So 18 to get that off. If you got one of these, it makes your life a lot easier on all different types of jobs. So with this, I just peeled back these sensor clips, took those out, and now we are here. And I already banged out this one. I banged out this one already. Boom, boom, boom. See, the splines are showing. After my little bit of a break, I'm attacking the lower. Boom, boom, boom. Just knock it out. You just want to keep on screwing this looser and looser until you can get this all the way out. Because the thing that's going to happen is this. If you start banging on this with your mallet without that nut on there, you're going to foul up your bolt. Once you foul your bolt up, you're going to need to go buy another bolt. 9 times out of 10, the parts store ain't going to have them. 10 times out of 10, you're going to have to order it from the dealer, which is time you're going to have to wait and time you're going to have wasted. So be smart, be patient, leave the bolt on, and whack at it. So once this is all whacked off, get the bolts off, I got to pry this loose. The rotor, the knuckle, all that's going to swing forward. Hopefully it'll be nice. It might not be nice. I might have to put some work in. Fact of the matter is, we're almost done. Stay tuned. I'm gonna try not to bend this back a whole lot so it ain't like deformed or nothing. But I'd be damned if I'm taking this whole shroud off. Like, what the fuck on, man? These motherfucking mechanics be getting bread, man. I can't knock it, but this is DIY Dreaming, where you do it yourself. If you ever plan on doing work to your car, map out that process, do your research, Sleep on it. That's why I say DIY dreaming. Because I thought about this weeks before I actually started this. I've had the part for a week. So I just let y'all know what type of patience I'm working with when it comes down to doing my own projects, things of that nature. Now, if I took this shroud off, I could probably use the impact gun, get these off real quick, but I'm taking my time. These are one-time use only bolts. Put that right in the file cabinet. Had to feel for it a little bit. It ain't had no hair on it. Only the older crowd's gonna understand that one. So we just cranking away. We got one more bolt holding this bitch in. That motherfucker don't want to come out, huh? It's tight. She's a little toy right there. Toy, like a toy gun. There she goes. Yeah. Yeah. Hold on. She's not quite ready. I didn't loosen up this one that much. Oh, I was putting it on, not taking it off. I switched gears on me. All right, Sun's gonna cut the camera because we down to one more bolt. When we come back, you will not see a shock in there. All right, so we back. I had a small conniption. I thought I got the wrong part. I've been taking my medicine lately, I could say that. I didn't think about bolting these up a little bit, the three up top, and twisting it. But once I was informed, I got it together. So I got it in place. My son helped me, he held it right here. I started the 3 nuts up top. Got it secure. I twisted it, got it in position with the knuckle. So it's in position with the knuckle. The bolts up there are loose. I can now jack up the rest of this assembly to put the stabilizer link back in place, start tightening bolts. And so we'll be right back. Later. We got the knuckle bolts snug. They're not going nowhere. I guess the last the last few things to do, reconnect our, I guess you could say, just the little plastic pieces for the sensor wire. Release this tension. Go ahead, release this jack it up, take the jack stand down, put the wheel on, then we're gonna wash it. But yeah, that's where we at. So you're here for the last little bit. That's that. We're done. They came out. Wasn't hard. Didn't have to do what the people said I had to do. This bitch is busted. But to tell the truth though, I am mad because I didn't get the part for the other side. I didn't get the strut for the other side. It is what it is though. I'll get it. Alright, so like I said in the beginning, welcome back or welcome to the channel. I don't ask for much. Let me get a like, let me get a share, let me get a subscribe. We try and spread this shit. I got juice for everybody. You need information, I got it. Everybody said this was gonna be hard. Even the labor rate, I didn't want to deal with that. not my time right now to deal with labor rates when I could do it myself. It's nice out. If it's cold out, do it, you know what I mean? It's nice out. We're gonna do this shit ourselves. Appreciate everything, all the positive compliments, all the thumbs up, all the views. I appreciate y'all. But yeah, the 100 and some change right now, man. Let's get to 200, man. It's your boy Young Black. This is DIY Dreaming, and I'm out.